Welcome to Arts and Craft. Today I am extremely happy to share with you all that Arts and Craft is now a family of 60,000 members. So yesterday we have crossed this milestone and now our subscriber count is 61,000 plus even. So it's all because of your support, your feedback, your suggestions, all this. So thank you all guys for your continued support, and I would love to have this support continued with us forever. One of my colleague Komal is getting married on 8th of March this week. So she took this card to us in office, and so if I repeat her words, she told us that I don't wanted it to be thrown in dustbin. So obviously no one won. I took this card with me and I decided to make a die craft, beautiful die craft for her out of this card. So this is the story behind this. And yes, as you can see here, Komal wears Deepesh. So Komal and Deepesh, congratulations to both of you guys for your marriage and starting of new phase of your life. So this is the card, you can see. Yeah, it is a marriage card, obviously. Here is a program timings and what other messages which they are trying to convey to invite you. And you can see there is an storage in this card also. So it was filled with a dry fruit, not actually dry fruit, it was a mixture of dry fruit. It is called panjari in local language. So it was filled with panjari made of all kinds of dry fruit. So yes, it is a great card indeed. But if you love creativity, you can turn any card into craft. Even you can turn any waste material into a waste craft. As you can see on my wall behind me, this craft is made of disposable plates which we generally use for dining or lunch. This one is made of newspaper. So it's all about creativity. Actually, I am an engineer by profession and working in an MNC. But I love creativity from my childhood. And now I have got a chance to explore this in front of you. So, me and my wife Jyoti Misra both are managing this channel. We both are creating videos and editing, all kind of stuff are getting managed by both of us. No one else is involved in this except you all guys, whose support, whose suggestion, feedback, all are so valuable for us. So guys, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, for getting updated of new videos and new stuffs. So let's start.